Hi there, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you tuning in. In this video, we're going to be looking at adding presets to the GoPro Hero 11, as this has come up a few times and some people don't realize how to do this. So, I hope you liked the video. This is DemonView. So presets on the GoPro are one of the handiest things that are available. You can quickly set up as many different settings as you want under different presets, and then simply scroll and select between the presets. However, there's more than just the default presets built into the GoPro, and if you're not using easy mode and using professional mode, then you have quite a number of options to choose from. However, you can add more, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to do this. So if you're liking these videos, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons, as they really do help with channel views. In the meantime, on with the video. I'm going to show you how to add a preset to the GoPro Hero 11. So this is the GoPro Hero 11 all powered on, and we're on standard at the moment as our preset, but we want to add a new preset. So we're going to click on our standard, just like that, and then we're going to click on this icon in the top right hand corner. And as you can see now, these are some of the presets that I already have set up. I can reset a preset, I can cancel a preset, but I want to add a preset, so I'm going to click that plus icon. Now, new preset, it's either video or looping, and I want to choose video. And I'm going to say that I'm going to record video. I'm going to record it in 4K 30 frames per second. I'm just going to bump that up to 60 frames per second. Lens wide, hyper smooth is on, and I can adjust all the settings here. I'm going to turn on 10-bit, put the bitrate to high, shutter is auto, and I'm just going to select flat as my color, sharpness medium, let's call that good. Once you have all that programmed in, just click the icon here in the top right again. And now I can choose what I want to name that preset, and I'm just going to call that preset Selfie. Then click the icon, and there we go. Now we have the selfie mode already set up using everything we selected during that preset. Just going to click it again, and now you can see Selfie is in there right up the top. Now if I want to, I can click this double icon here again. And now let's say I don't want the selfie anymore. I just take that out. I can delete that preset. And now it's gone from my list of presets, in which case I can add it back in at any time. And quite simply, that's how you add a preset to the GoPro Hero 11. And that's it. It really is that simple to add a preset to your camera. So, hope you enjoyed that quick little tip, and remember, if you do enjoy these videos, please click the like and subscribe buttons, as it doesn't cost you a thing, and it's a really great way to help out the channel in return. Until next time, cheerio. And you know, it being election time, I'm sure you're sick and tired of all the election ads that you see on television, so therefore, I'm gonna run for office. Yep. I don't know what office I'm running for. Hopefully it's a corner one, but you know what? Here's my platform. I'm going to be against balloons. Not only are they like extremely destructive to the environment, small marine animals can actually choke on balloons. So, vote for DemonView, and I assure you I will do everything I can to stand up against inflation.